Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly stand out on LinkedIn or social media? Is it their skills, their experience, or something else? Well, it's often their personal brand, a polished, professional presence that communicates exactly who they are, what they stand for, and why they're a must-have for any team or project. In today's digital age, AI tools have made it easier than ever to create that perfect personal brand. Whether it's a professional LinkedIn photo, an engaging resume, or even your personal website, AI can help you put your best foot forward. And it's not as complicated as you think. In this video, I'll show you how AI can supercharge your personal brand in 2025 with real-world examples, practical steps, and a few personal stories about how I've used these tools to improve my own online presence. First things first, let's talk about your LinkedIn profile photo. It's the first impression you make online. And believe me, you want it to stand out for all the right reasons. A blurry selfie or outdated picture can seriously hurt your chances of making a good impression. But AI tools can fix that in a snap. With tools like this, you can upload a simple photo of yourself and the AI will enhance it. It can improve the lighting, add a clean, professional background, and even adjust the outfit you're wearing, all without needing to hire a photographer. I tried this tool recently. I uploaded a casual photo I had from a vacation, and within minutes, it turned into something that looked like it came from a professional photo shoot. Trust me, first impressions matter, and this tool ensures yours is top-notch. Next up is building your personal website. This is your own corner of the internet where you can showcase your work, achievements, and personality. AI-powered website builders like this AI website builder are game changers. With these tools, you don't need any coding skills. You can select a template, drag and drop elements, and even get AI-generated copy for your pages. From a professional portfolio to a personal blog, AI makes it easy to create a website that truly represents you. I used one of these AI website builders last year to create my portfolio, and I was amazed by how quickly I was able to launch a sleek, professional-looking website. It felt empowering to have a digital space that I could call my own, and it really helped me stand out when connecting with potential clients and collaborators. Now, let's move on to content creation. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media updates, or even scripts for videos like this one, AI content tools can save you a ton of time. Introducing Wondershare Virbo, the ultimate video creation tool that makes bringing your vision to life easier than ever. Whether you're creating for business, social media, or personal projects, Virbo combines powerful tools with an intuitive interface to help you craft stunning videos in minutes. With its drag and drop editing, advanced AI tools, and professional-grade effects, you don't need to be a video expert to create polished, eye-catching content. Virbo offers an exciting feature that lets you turn any photo into a talking image. In just a few clicks, you can animate a still photo and make it speak in sync with your voice. Perfect for product demos, personalized content, or just adding a creative touch to your social media posts. But that's not all. Virbo also includes advanced AI voice cloning, so you can create realistic voiceovers using your own voice. Simply upload a sample, and Virbo will generate a voiceover that matches your tone and style, saving you time and effort. With a variety of customizable templates, Virbo makes it easy to create everything from professional ads to fun videos. Whether you're a business or an influencer, Virbo gives you the tools to craft engaging content that stands out. Ready to elevate your content? Try Wondershare Virbo today and unlock your creative potential with talking photos and AI voice cloning. To wrap it up, AI is the secret weapon that can help you elevate your personal brand in 2025. Whether it's a professional LinkedIn profile photo, a killer resume, a personal website, or engaging content, AI makes it all possible. And the best part, these tools are incredibly easy to use, saving you time while ensuring you're putting your best foot forward. My advice? Start by experimenting with just one of these tools today, and you'll see how quickly you can elevate your personal brand. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which AI tool you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear how you're planning to level up your personal brand in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.